Have you ever had a week that felt too heavy?
A week where everything seems to pile up and you can't even catch a breath?
If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. We're going to talk about real English phrases that help you express your feelings when life gets hard.
Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Today, we're diving into emotional English, phrases that help you describe stress, overwhelm, and exhaustion in a natural way.
Whether it's work, school, family, or just life in general, these phrases will help you communicate your feelings clearly in English. Dialogue, sharing emotional struggles.
So, Sarah, how was your week?
Honestly, Tom, I'm feeling completely drained. It's been one of those weeks where every day feels heavier than the last.
I know that feeling. I'm overwhelmed too. Too many emails, meetings, and deadlines, and it feels like I can't handle everything right now.
Exactly. Some days I feel like I'm starting to falter, like I just don't have the energy to keep going.
I understand completely. Sometimes all you need is a break. Even just a short pause can help your mind reset.
Phrase 1. I'm overwhelmed.
We use this when life feels too heavy or when you have too much to do. Examples.
I'm overwhelmed with work this week. She's overwhelmed by all the responsibilities at home. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I need a moment to breathe.
It's a very common and natural way to express mental or emotional pressure.
Phrase 2. I feel drained.
This means you are physically or emotionally exhausted. Examples.
After the long meeting, I feel drained. I feel drained after taking care of the kids all day. That workout really drained me. I need rest.
It's perfect to describe low energy without saying I'm tired all the time.
Phrase 3. I'm starting to falter.
Another phrase is I'm starting to falter. Falter means you start to lose strength, focus, or confidence temporarily. Examples.
I'm starting to falter in the middle of my project, but I'll keep going. He started strong, but he's starting to falter now.
It's great for expressing moments of struggle without giving up.
Phrase 4. I can't handle everything right now.
Next, a phrase for busy or stressful moments. I can't handle everything right now. We use this when you feel overloaded or unable to cope with multiple responsibilities. Examples.
I can't handle everything right now. I need some help. She said she can't handle everything right now, so I offered to assist. I can't handle everything right now, so I'm taking a short break.
It's a polite but honest way to communicate limits.
Phrase 5. I just need a break.
This is simple, direct, and shows self-awareness. Examples.
I just need a break. I'll come back refreshed. After this intense week, I just need a break. Sometimes I just need a break to clear my mind.
It's empowering because it helps you set boundaries and take care of yourself. Sarah, let me tell you about my week. I had so many deadlines at work, and honestly, I felt completely drained by Wednesday.
I can relate. I was juggling school, home, and a new project. By Thursday evening, I said out loud, I can't handle everything right now.
Exactly. That feeling, it's overwhelming. But I realized something important. Acknowledging your feelings helps you cope.
Yes, saying, I'm starting to falter or I just need a break doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human and aware of your limits.
Story time, real life example. Here's a personal story. Last year, I moved to a new city for work. The first month was exciting. New apartment, new job, new friends.
Sounds fun.
It was. But after 3 months, homesickness hit. Small tasks like grocery shopping or making new connections felt exhausting. I remember sitting in my kitchen thinking, I'm overwhelmed. I feel drained.
And what did you do?
I took a short break, planned my week differently, and focused on small wins. Even after faltering, I kept going, and eventually, I felt more in control. Examples? Using phrases in daily life.
So let's give listeners more examples they can use today. 1. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with assignments this week. He's overwhelmed by family responsibilities. 2. I feel drained. After the long meeting, I feel drained. I feel drained after helping everyone all day.
3. I'm starting to falter. I'm starting to falter in my new job, but I'm learning. She started strong, but she's starting to falter now. 4. I can't handle everything right now. I can't handle everything right now, so I asked for help. After a busy week, I can't handle everything right now.
5. I just need a break. I just need a break before tackling the next task. Sometimes I just need a break to recharge.
Tips: how to apply these phrases. Here are some tips for learners. 1. Say it out loud. Practice these phrases when speaking to friends or colleagues. 2. Use a journal. Write about your week. I feel drained today, but I just need a break. 3. Connect phrases to your feelings. Emotion plus phrase equals better retention. Example: I feel drained plus after the project equals stronger memory. 4. Use them in conversation. Share your experiences naturally, even in casual chats. I'm overwhelmed with work this week. Can we talk later?
Interactive practice. Let's do a mini exercise. I'll give a scenario and you use one of our phrases.
Ready.
You just finished a stressful meeting and you feel exhausted.
I feel drained after that meeting.
Perfect. Next, you have too many tasks at once.
I'm overwhelmed with all these tasks.
Last one, you started a big project but feel unsure.
I'm starting to falter, but I'll keep going.
Excellent. That's how you make these phrases part of your English naturally.
Final motivation and closing. Remember, listeners, life can be tough sometimes, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed, drained, or faltering.
Using these phrases helps you express yourself clearly and take care of your mental health. It's not weakness, it's awareness.
So, next time life feels heavy, say, I'm overwhelmed. I feel drained. I can't handle everything right now. I just need a break. I'm starting to falter.
Acknowledge your feelings, give yourself space, and keep moving forward.
Thanks for joining us on English Unleashed. Take care of yourself, practice these phrases, and remember, even small steps count.
See you next time, and stay strong emotionally and linguistically.